How to fix addiction. Fixing addiction is often a complex and challenging process that requires professional help and support. Here are some general steps one might take to address addiction. Recognize the problem. Acknowledge that there is an addiction issue that needs to be addressed. This step involves being honest with oneself about the extent of the problem and its impact on one's life. Seek professional help. Reach out to a healthcare professional, therapist, counselor, or addiction specialist who can provide guidance and support. They can help create a personalized treatment plan tailored to your needs. Join support groups. Consider joining support groups such as Alcoholics Anonymous, AA, Narcotics Anonymous, NA, or other community-based groups. Being surrounded by individuals who understand what you're going through can provide valuable support and encouragement. Understand triggers. Identify the triggers that lead to addictive behavior and develop strategies to manage them effectively. This might involve avoiding certain people, places, or situations that trigger cravings. Develop coping strategies. Learn healthy coping mechanisms to deal with stress, anxiety, and other emotions without turning to addictive substances or behaviors. This could include exercise, mindfulness, hobbies, or relaxation techniques. Consider medication. In some cases, medication may be prescribed to help manage withdrawal symptoms or reduce cravings. It's essential to work closely with a healthcare provider to determine if medication is appropriate and to monitor its effectiveness. Build a support network. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family members, and peers who encourage your recovery journey. Having a strong support system can make a significant difference in maintaining sobriety. Stay committed to recovery. Recovery from addiction is a lifelong journey that requires ongoing commitment and effort. Stay focused on your goals, celebrate your successes, and don't be too hard on yourself if you experience setbacks. Address underlying issues. Explore and address any underlying issues or traumas that may have contributed to the development of addiction. Therapy can be instrumental in helping individuals understand and work through these issues. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being by prioritizing self-care activities such as proper nutrition, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Thank you for watching.